Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for taking your time to join this morning's meeting, to our emerging and remerging infectious disease program coordinators, to our public health nurses, sanitation inspectors, midwives, and municipal health officers who are joining this meeting. Thank you very much. And on behalf of Dr. Marisa Corquinion, I'd like to welcome you all for this half-day online orientation and updates on our emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases program. So this program will be discussing some of our major ERID programs here in the province of Iloilo, the leptospirosis and hand, foot, and mouth disease, where we will be reviewed by our team led by our ERID program coordinator, Ms. Maiden Quinion, and at the same time our health promotion unit head, along with our PESU staff and support staff in the Provincial Health Office. So, this meeting is really important, no? Kay Balantaman, nga sa term pa lang, emerging and re-emerging. So, we don't know, no? Na kung saan sila mag-gilnuwa nga damo. But we hope that on your level, prepared kita anytime with our response activities. Bala natin kung anong mga protocols established by the Department of Health and the Province of Iloilo para nga kita ang maging way sa aton nga mga kabanuhanan nga mag-guide sa ila kung paano ang proper pag-response, pag-control sa mga emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases program natin. And although wala lang siya limit sa duha ka diseases, we'll be meeting again next week to discuss other ERID programs such as MPOX, typhoid fever, and Q fever. So we hope no nga you'll be with us also again next week to join this important nga mga orientation meeting. So today, no, our team will be providing you or will be reviewing with you ang mga guidelines na ginhatag ni Department of Health. Will be also presenting to you ang mga updates ang cases natin dito sa probinsya. And at the same time, will be guided by Ms. Maiden Quinion kung paano ang proper nga risk communication sa mga balatian natin sa leptospirosis and hand, foot, and mouth disease, which will be helpful sa engage natin sa aton nga communities with the program. So with that, no, although this is an online meeting, but we hope that we will be giving this full cooperation para nga masubaybayan naton kag ma-orient kita properly sa mga pertinent nga mga activities for our program. So again, no, on behalf of our page 2, Dr. Marisa Corquinion, thank you very much for joining this meeting, and we hope nga abot nato ang objectives, and at the same time, ang mga issues and concerns na identify ninyo sa inyong implementation, kindly raise in this meeting para nga tagaan sa attention sa amon nga team, and at the same time, marilin namon ang mga concerns nga hindi makaya sa NPH o marilin namon sa Department of Health. Thank you very much, and good morning.